In Sprinklr, you can use macros to help you execute multiple actions or tasks with a single click, removing redundancies in your workflows. Agents often need to perform many actions repeatedly in their daily workflow. For example, to assign a case from another queue to an agent, you would need to manually remove the ticket from the existing queue and add it to the assigned queue, and then have to change the status to assigned. Macros let you perform all these tasks with a single click, creating more efficiencies in your workflow. Macros can be viewed, edited, and created by admins from settings and are available at the workspace level only. Let's take a look at how to add a macro. In a new tab, under Platform Modules, click All Settings within Settings. From within Platform Settings and Manage Workspace, you can either click Macros or find it using the search bar. In the top right corner of the Macros window, click Create Macro. On the Create Macro window, enter a macro name and description, then select the entity to apply the macro to from the Apply Macro dropdown. If you want to reconfirm conditions when the macro is applied, be sure to check the box labeled Ask User for confirmation before applying this macro. Similarly, if you want to pin the macro, check the box to Favorite this macro for all visible users. Set actions for your macro under Automated Actions and Manual Actions. This lets you set the task details that you want to perform on the selected entity. You can add multiple actions at a time. For example, if your macro conditions are action set as assigned to me and value is set to yes, then all cases where you apply this macro will be assigned to you. Click Add New Action or Input if you wish to add additional conditions. If you're creating a message, outbound message, or UGC macro, then you can add related macros, which can be used to apply another macro to assets associated with the parent content. Click Add New Related Asset to add a related macro. Then you can select your visibility preferences. Sharing macros lets different people or teams in your organization use and perform desired actions with a macro. Selecting Visible in all workspaces will allow visibility for all users across the workspaces. Selecting a workspace or multiple workspaces will allow visibility for all users within the specified workspace or workspaces. Selecting certain users will allow visibility for only the specified users or user groups. Under Advanced Visibility Filters, select the fields based on your requirements to restrict the visibility of the macro based on a custom field value. You're required to select an asset to define visibility on its properties. Then, select the asset property from the drop-down menu. Next, select the operator and value. Finally, click Save in the bottom right corner to save your macro. You've just learned how to set up macros in Sprinklr. Why not give it a try yourself and see just how much time these macros can save you in your workflows?